to the page number 83, C bit, fill in the blanks. Burns can be caused by dash or dash. How can we get the burns, Nana? They are caused by heat or chemicals. Burns can be caused by heat or chemicals. Next one. We should not throw away dash mastics. Throw away dash mastics. Which mastics we cannot throw, Nana? Burning mastics. If you throw burning mastics, what happened? It also leads fire. We should not throw away burning mastics. A fractured bone should not be dash without a dash. A fractured bone should not be what not to do. When anybody have fracture, what not to do? Fractured bone should not be move. Fractured bone should not be moved without a dash. We should not move without a support. A fractured bone should not be moved without a support. Next one. A dash arm should be supported by sling. Sling. What is a sling? Sling is a triangular cloth. Take a square cloth and fold it in the shape of triangle. Okay, if anybody are suffering with fractured arm, we have to use the sling. Okay, if we don't have sling, we have to make the sling with the help of cloth also. So a dash arm should be supported by a sling. Fractured. What is the spelling of fractured? Fractured. Fractured. Fractured arm should be supported by a sling. A dash is a, next one, coming to the fifth one, a dash is a rigid strip used for supporting broken bone. A dash is a rigid strip used for supporting broken bone. For supporting broken bone, we can use the sling, otherwise we can use the splint. Okay, so many times I told. If splint is not there, we can support the broken bone by the sticks, by the papers or old magazines also. Splint, S-P-L-I-N-T, splint. Next one, dash usually occurs due to continuous vomiting or diarrhea. Dash usually occurs due to continuous vomiting or diarrhea. Dehydration. What usually occurs due to the continuous vomiting and motions, Nana? Dehydration. Dehydration. What is the spelling of dehydration? D-E-D. Hydration. Dehydration. Next one, see. Here answer the following. I will give it in the classwork. Next one, higher order thinking skills we have. Suppose there is a fire, but the cause of fire is not known. Somewhere fire is going on and we don't know the cause of fire. What would be the best way to put off fire? Then we don't know the cause of fire, whether it is caused by the oil or electricity, we don't know, or due to the gas leakage, we don't know. So how can we control such kind of fires, Nana? How can we put off that fire? If you don't know the correct reason for fire, we have to use the fire extinguisher. Simply use a fire extinguisher. When we don't know the reason for fire, we have to use the fire extinguisher or pour sand on it. Okay, simply pour sand on it. Next one, the electric wiring of a building should be checked regularly for any defect. Explain why. Electric wiring of a building should be checked regularly for any defect. Explain why. Why we have to check the electric wiring of the house regularly. If there is a problem with the electric wiring, it can cause the short circuit. If there is a problem with the electric wiring, it causes the short circuit and it causes the fire. That is why regular checking we have to do. Next one, Tarun was, value based question. Tarun was standing in the veranda of his house when he noticed smoke coming out from the opposite house. Tarun was standing in the veranda of his house when he noticed smoke coming out from the opposite house. From the opposite house, he saw the smoke. What must Tarun do? Discuss your answer in the class. What you have to do? You have to see the fire. What you will do? Tell me first. I don't want Tarun's case, Nana. What you will do? Tell me. After seeing the smoke, what you will do? You will run into the house and you will inform to your parents and try to inform to others also. So here Tarun also does the same thing. Tarun must alert his parents and let them go check out the cause and alert the fire department. Yes or no? We will also do the same thing. We will alert our parents and we will call the fire engine. Try to complete the textual works.